Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 28th, 2025, and we're diving into F5's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. F5 has reported some impressive numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. F5 reported a net revenue of $810 million for Q4 FY25, which is an 8% increase compared to the same quarter last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The growth was primarily driven by a 16% increase in product revenue, with systems revenue surging by 42%. This indicates strong demand for F5 system solutions, which are crucial for application delivery and security.
And how did this translate into profitability?
F5's non-GAAP net income for the quarter was $257 million, translating to an adjusted EPS of $4.39, significantly beating the forecasted EPS of $3.19 by analysts. This reflects an 18% growth in non-GAAP earnings, showcasing their operational efficiency and cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. F5 has shown strong operational performance with a non-GAAP operating margin of 37%. How does this compare to their historical performance?
It's a notable improvement from the previous year's 34.4%, indicating better cost control and operational efficiencies. Their GAAP gross margin also improved to 82.2%, up from 80.8% last year.
Looking ahead, what is F5's guidance for fiscal year 2026?
F5 is guiding for a revenue growth of 0% to 4% for FY26, acknowledging some short-term disruptions due to a recent security incident. However, they expect demand to normalize in the second half of the year, driven by the adoption of hybrid multi-cloud architectures and AI-driven infrastructure.
CEO Strategic Insights. F5 CEO François Locoh-Donou has made some strategic comments in the report. Can you elaborate on his insights?
Certainly. Locoh-Donou emphasized the importance of security and innovation, especially following the recent security incident. He highlighted F5's role in providing essential solutions for hybrid multi-cloud environments, which are increasingly in demand.
And there's a leadership update as well.
Yes, Locoh-Donou will assume the additional role of chairman of the board in March 2026, succeeding Al Higginson. This transition is part of F5's strategy to ensure robust governance and continued leadership in the industry.
Key takeaways. In summary, F5 has delivered a strong performance in Q4 FY25 with significant revenue and earnings growth. Despite some short-term challenges, the company's strategic focus on security and innovation positions it well for the future. John, any final thoughts?
F5's ability to beat earnings expectations and its strategic initiatives in the multi-cloud and AI space make it a compelling investment prospect. Investors should keep an eye on how they navigate the short-term disruptions.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on F5's performance in the comments below.